Good morning, happy Tuesday everyone. I just have sunlight for a while before I continue what I'm doing. See, the sun is in my head. Even though I'm here only inside, the sun is coming inside the living room. While I'm combing my hair, I'm gonna have sunlight for a while before I continue what I'm doing. I'm washing today. And later, I'm gonna cook my yummy vegetables. Very hot outside. So I need to stay inside. The temperature outside is very hot. We cannot stay long outside the house because the weather is so hot. It will burning your skin and you're gonna have headache. And it's dangerous for heat stroke. My hair is very dry. That's why it's hard to comb.